Have you noticed this pattern of whenever Mario jumps in one of his games? Pattern is he's always jumping along a certain distance, let's say 6, and up another distance 2. And the game is going to calculate this total distance here, which would be the longest distance. Now, if we're labeling our sides A, B, and C, what would this longest distance be? Well, it would be A squared plus B squared equals C squared, or in other words, Pythagoras' theorem. Now, if we plug in the numbers, it would be A, which is 6 squared plus 2 squared equals C squared, which we don't know. Now, all we have to do is square root our 6 squared plus 2 squared, and that will give us C. Now, squaring that will be 36 plus 4 inside. So then adding them together will be square root of 40. That will be the distance he jumps, right? Can we simplify this any further? Now, this is for the higher marks, and stick around if you know how to do this. How do we simplify square root of 40? The way we do it is we draw a factor tree out of 40, and we think, okay, what could we take out of this as factors? Well, the first thing we could take out of this would be a 4 and a 10, because 4 times 10 is obviously going to give you 40. So we know we can also write this as a form of its factors like this. Or in other words, like this. You can separate them out. Now, what's the square root of 4? Well, it's 2. And the square root of 10? Well, that's just not a very nice number, so we can keep that as it is. And now our simplified answer actually goes from the square root of 40 to actually 2 root 10, and that is the distance that Mario would jump.